Okay.
Hi, I'm Eric, and today I'm going to show you an easy fix for my LG refrigerator. It was making a lot of noise on the freezer. I could tell it wasn't the refrigerator because I got in the back, you couldn't really hear the noise. It was in the back of the freezer. So I'll show you what I did. So first thing is I took off the freezer door. You can go onto YouTube and find all those ways how you, basically it's just these two screws right here. You pull them out and you unlatch everything and you pull out the door. You can find that on YouTube. But basically, once you get all this stuff open, I noticed in the back there was a lot of ice. Okay, and so what happened was the freezer wasn't closing all the way, so after a while a lot of ice got built up, and so I had to melt all that ice down. So basically what I did was, in the corners here and in the back and in this hole right here, there was a lot of ice in the hole, and so that fan in the back right there was hitting the ice, or it frozen up, so you couldn't, so it was making a lot of noise. Okay, so I just took a blow dryer and heated up all of the ice inside here and around the outside, blew it all out, melted all the ice down, and now it seems to work just fine. So if it's making a lot of noise and your kids aren't shutting the freezer all the way, check to see if there's ice built up back there, melt it down, clean out your freezer, and you should be good to go. Thanks for watching.